Again, here's the patient, no? So, cut, no? So, gikuha na to BP, the after Arwin ergometer in which nga ato 10 minutes man to. So, here, no? 5 minutes na, no? Kaya we say sa bato, nagipaningot na kay sukat, no? Again, gikuha naman yung breathing. So, again, 148, no? 95, 122, no? 148, 95, 122. Again, mas mahal na kaya improvement siyang systolic, no? In which naman si Arwin ergometer, pero nagubala, no? Kaya quality atong gikuha na karon. So, bato na po na iyahang pulse rate, ya? 122. Again, 122. Yeah, di na siya para sa una nga. Sa una na ito, tag-as yung blood pressure, no? So, again, pila man ito primero is 144, no? I-increase na, gamay na kag-increase, no? 144, 93. Yung 105 yung pulse rate, no? Karoon, 122 na. Again, paway sa dagat. Again, Arwin ergometer, trusted and proven, no? So, here, thank you for the freedom, here, freedom, Google, YouTube, and Facebook, yeah, for spreading the good news in which what tantay kabayad of newspaper to publish, no? So here again, no, by Shimano. So Greg Alexander, no? Greg Alexander, 2009 Ironman World Champion, yeah? Again from Australia, here's the message, yeah, Hearty, this is Greg Alexander, yeah? Oy, basi nagpirma-pirma na ako, dara na, no? Again, Hearty is with evidence, yeah? I'm with Greg Alexander in there in the Australia, no? In the Singapore, yeah? Again, I've been in the marathon. So again, all the evidence na nagitan na, no? Again, sa tuyo, together with our prayer, ayo, siguro ta. Again, si Ukat, atong ikuanan, nga, tabangan, no? Thank you, Kata.